Hello everyone, what I have here is Salmong Tugunan, and we only sing the response to the readers and then a little bit higher in the last one, the ending one. So here we go. So the intro is F. First set when we respond, and then in every verse we only sing one time, and then ending is 2 times. Alright, here we go. A little bit changes in first line, and we repeat back to the same tune. Ending. Thank you and God bless. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.